I dropped out of school to make a documentary about pigeons, and I got myself this boomstick to record audio for it. I ended up just removing the stick at one point though, since the pigeons were really scared of it. I really just stood there vibing with them for a while and got some pretty nice sounds out of them. I needed some wing sounds too though, but I didn't want to scare them away to make them fly. So I literally just waited for them to fly away naturally and threw some seeds here and there to make them fly towards it. As for the other sounds pigeons make, like their claws and beaks hitting the floor, I used a bunch of random things in my house and my own microphone. And for their cleaning sessions, I also grabbed one of my chickens and petted her a little to recreate the sounds. She wasn't really a big fan of it. Now I had everything I needed for the intro of the documentary, and all that was left was making a title sequence. You know, like you see in all those professionally made videos. So that's something I'm gonna work on in the next video.